All right, granted, the Master Resell Rights digital marketing course is not for everyone. All right, I get it. All right, but it is for some people. I mean, there are moms out there making $800,000 in 12 weeks and helping thousands of people change their lives by giving them a course that will basically teach them the skills to start their own online business. There are moms out there making $10,000 in 4 weeks doing this and also helping loads of people. So this course, if you're a person who's wanting to start an online business and you didn't know where to start, you didn't know how to get into this, this is the course for you, all right? If you've got 2 hours a day, yep, it's going to take work. There's no free money out there. You're going to have to put some work into this. It's going to take a while to gain momentum, but once you start to get some followers and get some people into your email list, they teach you everything. All of this is taught in the course. You'll start to see the sales coming through. If you want to learn everything about online business, the ins and outs of digital marketing, that's in this course. If you want to learn how to sell a product, whether it be physical or digital, you're going to learn that in this course. So if you want more information, click the caption below and you can find out more, or you're welcome to DM me.